Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. I have come again with another new video for you. So in today's video, we will talk about what is YouTube Short Award, how to get it, who gets it, how many subscribers should be on your channel to get this award, how many views should be there. Everything in today's video, I am going to tell you step by step. So stay till the last in this video. So without any delay, let's start today's video. Friends, you must have seen that the award named YouTube Shorts is becoming very viral. And this award has been received by many creators. And he has also put videos about it on his channel. First of all, let me tell you one thing. That there is no award here. There is only gift here, which is being given by YouTube to the creators. You must know the matter that YouTube, Google, and Facebook all keep giving some gifts to their users and creators. Whichever creator works legally on these platforms and works consistently, those creators keep getting some gifts from these platforms. Let me tell you again, there is no award here, there is only gift here. You must know about YouTube awards that if 100k subscribers are completed on any channel, then it is given a silver play button from YouTube. And the channel on which 1 million subscribers is completed, then it is given a golden play button. And if 10 million is completed, then a diamond play button is given. Here are all the awards which are given by YouTube to the creators. Then who gets the gift here? How many subscribers should be there to get this gift? How many views should be there? So friends, let me tell you that there is no criteria to get this gift. Yes friends, there is no criteria for this gift. If you think there should be so many subscribers on your channel or there should be so many views on your shorts, then there is nothing like this. If you also upload shorts on your channel and if the content of your shorts is legal, there is no strike on your channel, meaning your content is absolutely real. So you can get a gift here. For this, it is not necessary that your shorts should have millions of views. But friends, if you also want to make your shorts video viral, want to get good views on them, so I have made a complete video on this topic. That's what you have to do so that your shorts go viral. Whatever little I have told in that video, if you apply in your shorts there, then your shorts will definitely go viral. I have given the link of that video in the I button above and in the description. You can go and watch that video from there. So friends, now let's talk that how you will get the gift here. Friends, for this, YouTube will send a mail to your email address from which you created your channel. You will have to mention your address in that mail. And as soon as you tell your address, so that the gift will be delivered to your home. But to whom to give this gift and no one else, here only YouTube will decide. Now let's talk about what comes out in that gift. Friends, there is a black color box in that gift. All your gifts are kept inside it. In that box, you will find many stickers, a water bottle on which shorts is written, and a red and white colored shorts icon which you all must know. So here everything comes out from inside that black box. So I think now you must have understood that there is no award, there is only gift. And when will you get this gift? How will you get it? Who will get it? Here I have told you in this video. So if you want to see more such videos, then subscribe to our channel because I keep bringing such videos on this channel. So today's video is just that. See you again in the next video. Till then, take care.